Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap News. It's Wednesday, November the 27th, 2013. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and I've found four to talk about on today's show. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. During the show, I give you my insights into what the companies, why they stood out to me, and the ultimate goal is to help you find some good companies to do your research on and find some investment winners in there as well. I've got, as I said, four companies. We're going to keep it to a little under 10 minutes today, so we'll get right to it. The first company I wanted to talk about is Eastmain Resources. Eastmain Resources announced that they have completed a $5.13 million private placement, and net proceeds will go to their finance exploration at their Quebec project portfolio and general working capital. You know, right now it's kind of challenging for some companies to raise money. I think that the quality of the company's project is why they've been able to raise some money. I've talked about their recent results. They had some very good drilling out of their Clearwater project, and I've also featured them on this past weekend's Best of the Best in Weekly News Picks. So I'm very bullish on this company. As far as the stock goes, I've been looking for it to bottom here. It's trading under its moving averages, and I'm hoping that it'll start to bottom and trade to the upside in the not too distant future. ER is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next company today is Rockwell Diamonds. Rockwell Diamonds put out their production news, and they found another large diamond in their Middle Orange River region. And it's a 287 carat diamond, and that's from their African project. So a very big stone there. They didn't talk about, they haven't sold it yet. It will be sold by it's being polished and then sold. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Rockwell Diamonds stock is up $0.005 today, and their stock's been actually doing better since September. They've been on a better trend. They're not a big trader. They're kind of a patchy trader, but we'll keep an eye on Rockwell Diamonds. RDI is their stock symbol, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is Coastal Gold. Coastal Gold had some drill results out from their Holtbrook Gold project in Newfoundland. They've been drilling into their tailings ponds and getting some good results. You know, they're getting some pretty decent results of gold and copper in there. Now we'll see what the details are of what they're going to do with those tailings ponds in the next steps. Their stock's not doing anything today. It's it's flat on the day at 2 cents. Just looking at their stock trend, and it's been flatlining since way back in April, with a little bit of a down move in the last since October. It's flatlining again at around that 2 cent level. Not a big trader, but an interesting one to do your homework on. COD is their stock symbol on the Venture Exchange. Excuse me. The final news release today is from Fission Uranium and their partner Alpha Minerals. Excuse me. They announced that they've released results from their final 11 holes of their current program at their Patterson Lake South property in the Athabasca Basin. What they were encouraged by is that they've been able to step out one of their zones by 30 meters. Excuse me, having a challenge with the frog in my throat. And getting some good scintillometer readings. Now of course we need to see the lab results from this drilling, but this company this project has consistently delivered excellent results. I think that there's currently a plan to merge these two companies, and I think that they're coming close to when they vote on that. So that's another interesting development I'm watching for from Fission Uranium and Alpha Minerals. Fission Uranium stock is down 4 cents today. Lately, it's been it's found a bottom after a big move from June until into August, late August. They had been on a spectacular move. They gave back some of those gains, but it's been healthy profit taking. Bottomed out around just over $1 range back in October and earlier this month. It's now starting to trend up again, and I'm liking the chances of this one moving into a more bullish trend. The other company that is the partner, Alpha Minerals, they're down 9 cents to $5.98, and they follow somewhat of a similar path as Fission Uranium. Alpha's been on a bullish trend since back in late 2012. It was trading at around $1.50, traded as high as $7.60 in early September. Again, it's also given back some gains lately, flattened out there at about the 530 range and has been trending up. Another one that I think once this merger gets done, the trend on those two will be very nice. So that's all the news for today. As always, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. On that note, have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.